Let us see how ForEach method works. So ForEach is a terminal method, terminal operation, and that is basically we use to iterate our stream and to print those elements or do certain things. Okay, so let's see how does it work. So let me take a list of integers. So arrays dot as list, let me take elements from 1 to 5. Let me introduce a local variable. These are our numbers. Let's say we want to print all the each and every element of the stream. So we have these 5 elements, we want to print them. So it's very simple. We have numbers dot stream dot ForEach, not filter. We have ForEach. Now inside the ForEach, either we can use lambda and then we can write system dot out dot println or just print and print the number. This is one way. Sorry, I have to run this stream for his example. So we can see all the elements are printed. If I just call this print method, they will be in the single line. Doesn't make any difference, right? In the output. So they are printed. Apart from that, what I can do is I can straight away call system.out.println like this. This is also same output we should be getting. Since this is println, it is giving. So this is basically a method reference. Here we are using method reference. So remember, lambda expression can be replaced with a method reference if there is no parameter sent. Okay, if we are not giving a parameter to this. All right, now we have understood how to print all the elements of a stream using ForEach. Let's say we want to multiply all these elements by 2. Okay, what we can do, we cannot use method reference here, so we have to go with lambda expression. So it will be num system. So we want to multiply all the elements by 2 while printing, so we can just do num into 2. That's it. So we can have all the elements twice. Okay, so this is very simple but very heavily used when we are iterating the elements of a string, be it list of elements or even map. In case of map, we use key set or values to get all the keys or all the values, or even entry set to get the all keys and values, and then we use ForEach. We will see those in the all those applications we will see of ForEach in our logical programs. We will be having a set of logical programs which are often asked in the interview. So we will have one section dedicated to that, and that will be very important practice for all the learnings we will be doing throughout. Okay.